Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you guys today about some beauty gadgets that have come into my life that I really wanted to share with you all. I mean, it is the gifting season and I thought whether you want to gift this for yourself, for a loved one, if you've had a long struggle with hair removal like I have, you want a brighter smile but can't afford the professional extreme results, then this video could be for you. So one of the gadgets that I have is the Philips Lumea Prestige IPL at home. I love saying the word prestige like that. It just sounds very luxurious. At home IPL hair removal device. And also the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean electric toothbrush. So yeah, this is kind of like a beauty gadget gift guide slash review slash how to. But I really honestly wanted to share these because they're so good, and I think on it, like the number one question I always get asked, well, two top questions, is always about teeth and your smile. It's something that we always show to people and it's the first thing people recognize. So like investing in your oral hygiene and your teeth is something that for me is a non-negotiable. And then the second topmost question is about hair, whether to style it, what color I use. I've tried professional laser hair removal, how to get rid of that, brows, everything. I am that hairy Mediterranean, always trying to tame my hair, get rid of it, and I've done absolutely everything that you could think of. I've waxed, I've epilated, I've shaved, I've actually have a very long love affair with shaving, and recently I've been doing laser. And recently, most recently, I've been using the Philips Lumea Prestige at home IPL device, which is just a game changer. So if you're thinking, okay, what is IPL? IPL uses intense pulses of light to target the hair follicle to put it in a resting phase. This isn't permanent, but neither is spending thousands of pounds at a clinic. It is never permanent, but the duration between shaving or waxing is eventually going to become wider and wider. You first have to use this every 2 weeks, and then after that, it's literally every 4 to 8 weeks. My experiences with this has been so simple and easy. I wish I got one of these sooner. Honestly, I would have been saving so much more money. Basically, last year, I started to do laser hair removal in a clinic, and you really have to be strict about how you do it. 6 weeks in between sessions, and you really have to stick to it, because if you don't, it's just not going to work and you're going to have more sessions booked in. In terms of like going on holiday and like planning my social life, I really did cater everything around my laser hair removal. With this, it's just so easy. Like you could do it in the comfort of your own home. There's no rushing from work to the clinic. You could take this on holiday with you. It comes with a small pouch, and I'll show you that in a second. It also has an app. So this is one of the things that I just think is so genius and what I love. You go on the app, you set your reminders, and it really does keep you on track your hair loss journey. It's virtually painless as well. That's another thing that I just think is just genius. I mean, technology really has come a long way, and Philips have been the forefront of that. When I used to get professional laser hair removal, it was very painful and it was very embarrassing as well. And I actually remember one of the women saying to me, well, why don't you have paracetamol before you come? A lot of women do that, and I personally don't like to take medication unnecessarily. I like to keep, paracetamol, ibuprofen for when I genuinely need it. So for her to say that to me, I'm like, really? I am making this huge financial, time-consuming commitment to something that's causing me pain? Not with the Philips Lumea Prestige. I mean, all you feel is a slight warming sensation. So this is the device. It is so simple to use. At first I thought, oh my God, this is a very daunting thing. It's a big gadget. I'm gonna have to really be strict and use this every day. No, like I said, you only use it once every 2 weeks, and then after that, every 4 to 8 weeks. And it's just so simple. So you have a on and off button. So that's on. You can hear the slight noise. I mean, the noise from a professional big laser is so loud, and you have to wear goggles. With this, there's no goggles involved. You could do a skin test as well. You just press this button here, and then you literally just put it against your skin, and it will tell you what's your skin type. So mine is number 4. So super easy, and I recommend that everybody does this. I also have a blog post as well, guys, so I will leave that down below if you want to give it a read. So I'm number 4, so it's already set up for me and the tick is on. So that's good to go. So press the tick button, so it's on number 4. Then you put it against your skin and then this blue light will come up, if you can see. So when I take it away from the skin, it goes off and it's ready. And then you just click this button here. Voila, that is it. You can see I'm not even flinching, and you can see the light, the intensity of the light, as you can see there. Oh my god, mine's actually running low on battery, which is a good thing that it tells you. I've been using this so much and I actually forgot to charge it. And then there you go. And then it's literally just a off button. Along with the IPL Prestige beauty device, you also get a carry bag. It's padded, so you can take it on your travels. And it also comes with 2 other attachments. You have a smaller attachment with a smaller window, and this is great for the face. It also lets out a more sensitive light because around your face is a very delicate area. So I'm glad that they thought of that. And then the second is a more medium-sized window, and it's a more of a curved. This is great for under the arms, around the bikini line, because it curves to your body's contours, which I think is just such a great idea, and I really love the fact that they've included this as well inside the box. So it's really easy to switch out the device. The one that's on the beauty tool is the largest out of the 3 attachments, and this is great for the legs and more wider spread parts of the body. So simple, you just literally unclip it, and then just pick the one that you want and you literally just clip it in. Voila, that is so simple to use. And then I literally keep everything in this bag. And you can put the 2 attachments in there as well. It's a one-time investment and you can use this for life. So that's it for the Philips Lumea Prestige. This is great if you know someone in your life that struggles with hair loss, that has tried everything under the sun like I have, then I definitely feel like this is a great gift to give. So next up I have the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Toothbrush. This is amazing. This is an upgrade from my existing old toothbrush. So I actually have my old one just to compare to the new. Now please don't judge the state of my old toothbrush. And I've had this for like 3 years now, still going strong, love it dearly. It's in the shade Amethyst. I don't think I would ever get rid of this. I'll just pack it away in the pouch that it comes in. It comes in a hard case pouch like this, and then obviously this is the new one. Let me compare them side by side. So this is in the white and rose gold color. It does come in 5 other shades. I can already tell that this does feel a little bit lighter. The brush head is slightly different, and this is so that it can contour around your teeth and gums. It's great for sensitive teeth like mine, and it also helps to whiten. It's got all different settings as well. Comes with a much better cap that clips on really well and very hygienic as well. The one for my old toothbrush, I've actually lost it, so yeah, it just kept popping off. So yeah, I really like that. And then I just wanted to compare the charging stands. So this is the old one that I've had and loved and dropped many times off my bathroom shelf, and it actually has a dent in it. It's very clunky, very chunky, but so it has progressed to now a more sleeker looking charging pad. This is glass, where this is actually plastic, which I think is so much better. So it's much safer now that it has the plastic attachment and not the big glass, because I will show you. With the big glass, you put your toothbrush in and it has to go to a tilt like this. And I always try to have it upright, push it, but it doesn't. So even now I get a bit like, oh, it's gonna fall. Yeah, but that's how I used to charge my toothbrush. I'll just show you my old one so you know. That was then. This is now. It actually stays up. It's more slimmer and it's not going anywhere. And it's really easy to pick the setting that you want. So you just press this button here, and then you can hear the loudness, and it has clean, Press it again. White for sensitive, for gum care, and then click it finally for a deep clean. And it does, I can hear it, it vibrates more intensely, that pulses a vibration depending on which setting, and then you just press it again to switch it off. It's just so much better to invest in good oral hygiene now, so that later down the line your smile's going to be looking brighter and whiter for longer. So yeah, those are really good. The prices I will put down below and the links. I hope this has inspired you to go out of the norm and really invest it in you right about now. I think that's the beauty of this, is whether, yeah, you could give this to someone else, but take the time to invest in you and take the time to take care of yourself and your body. The toothbrush has definitely changed my life in the sense of my teeth just feel like they're clean all the time. I mean, it's strange, we brush our teeth twice a day, every day for the rest of our lives. Why not invest in a tool that's actually gonna help us with cavities and decay instead of always going to the dentist? Again, that's another expense and time that we don't have in our everyday lives. So yeah, I hope that has inspired you, and I hope that has given you a little bit of knowledge about how to use these devices and how I like to incorporate it in my beauty regime. If you do want some more information, then please head to my blog, which is monaseyes.com, where I've done more in-depth detail review and links to everything as well, but I will leave a link where to shop these with the best price down below. Thank you so much, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new, and let me know down below what is your favorite beauty gadget. I would love to know. Or if you already have one of these at home, I would love to know how you're getting along with them. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.